For someone who started as an engineer, a graduate in biomedical and electronics, building up this digital marketing business from ground zero was no easy feat. COVID accelerated the need for digital, especially in SMEs. After talking to our clients, we realized that many companies like ourselves are struggling to transform digitally. We had to craft out a sustainable roadmap for InsightOut to offer new products and services to meet the needs of the ever-changing business landscape. That's when we decided to take up the RISE program to upskill our employees and at the same time get advice and support to solve this specific business challenge.
As someone who is heavily involved in the creation of our clients' performance marketing strategy, media planning, and campaign optimization, the DGI specialization course is truly beneficial for me. We were introduced to some frameworks, such as the SCQA framework, which has enabled me to better define my clients' business problems and ensure that all stakeholders are aligned. Through the interactive one-to-one coaching sessions conducted by BCG experts and industry practitioners, we explored the different possibilities for our company's roadmap, received feedback to clarify our doubts, and was supported with fresh ideas we could try. It is never easy to balance work with learning. However, through the course, it enables us to allocate some time out of our busy schedule to actively work on solving the company's problem statement. This gives us a clearer view of the direction for the company. The How Might We statement, high, mid, low scale, customer value proposition framework are just a handful of the many strategies I took away from the course. Although an upskilling journey isn't easy, it truly is worthwhile.
The world is ever evolving. We should always strive to learn and adapt to the pace of our growing environment. Lifelong learning is no longer an employee mindset, it is a company mindset, culture, and value. We will continue to groom our employees and enroll them into suitable courses. Invest today to safeguard your legacy tomorrow.